Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I'm your teacher Sayyid Shahnila, and we are studying Unit 2, which is daydreaming. So we had studied earlier what does daydreaming mean, and we had seen in the earlier video what does this unit deals with. We had seen that there was a couple who used to spend their most of time in idle talking, and the husband wanted to own cows in order to make money. So the wife said to own only a one cow, but the husband said many cows in order to get more money and milk from it. So we had seen that the wife wanted to make butter, ghee, curd, which is the ghee, and send the rest of the milk to her sister, on which the husband disagreed. So they were arguing over which वो लोग एक दूसरे से बहस कर रहे थे. They were arguing with each other. So the husband was angry with his wife as she told that she wanted to send the remaining milk to her sister. उसका husband बहुत गुस्सा हो रहा था उसने बोला कि I want to send the remaining milk to my sister. Over this, the husband got angry, and the husband disagreed over it. And the wife said, I will dearly send the remaining milk to my sister, at least one pot of milk to my sister. We had all seen this much, and we'll see what happens next. So, we had seen, I'll read the previous. I will see how you can stop me from sending a pot of milk to my sister, dear sister. I do all the hard work running after the cows, so naturally I will decide what happens to the milk. Just try stopping me, the wife exclaimed. Now see what happens. Is that so? Shouted the husband. Watch this. Then he began to lift and smash the earthen pots one by one. His wife began to scream. जब उसकी वाइफ उसको बोलती मैं देखूंगी तुम कैसे मुझे स्टॉप करते हो, कैसे मुझे रोकते अपनी सिस्टर को एक मिल्क का पॉट देने से. तो उसका हस्बैंड ये सुन के बहुत ज़्यादा गुस्सा हो जाता. व्हाट यू डू इज he says, is that so? Shouted the husband. Watch this. Then he began to lift and smash the earthen pots one by one. His wife began. उसका हस्बैंड क्या करता है ये सुनकर बहुत ज़्यादा गुस्सा हो जाता है. वो बोलता है look what I'm gonna do. He begins to smash the other pots. वो अदर pots को मारने लगता और ये देख के उसकी वाइफ चिल्लाने लगती है. एक और बंदा रहता गोपाल भांड, who was passing by, heard all the commotion and rushed inside. When he heard what had happened, he picked up a stout stick that stood in a corner and began to swish it through the air and pound it on the floor. The husband and wife were both astounded to see his antics. See, गोपाल भांड नाम का एक आदमी रहता, वो उनके घर के पास से जाते रहता. वो उनके कंप्लीट आर्ग्यूमेंट सुनता. वो गोपाल भांड उनका जो नॉइजी कन्फ्यूजन रहता, आर्ग्यूमेंट रहता, वो सुनता. तो वो क्या करता, वो जल्दी से अंदर आ जाता उनके घर में. और व्हाट ही डज इज he picks up a stout stick मतलब एक strong stick जो उनके कॉर्नर में रहती, वो he picks up that and began to swish it through the air and pound it on the floor. वो क्या करता, he pound it on the floor. He picked up a stout stick that stood in a corner and began to swish it through the air and pound it on the floor. As you can see in the picture, वो लकड़ी को ऐसा घुमाते रहता और बार बार लकड़ी उससे फ्लोर पे मारता. द हस्बैंड एंड वाइफ वर बोथ अस्टॉन्डेड मतलब शॉक होना. टू सी हिज एंटिक्स मतलब बिहेवियर. द हस्बैंड एंड वाइफ वर बोथ अस्टॉन्डेड टू सी हिज एंटिक्स. दे बोथ questioned him. What are you doing? They inquired. Move aside, said Gopal Bhan. I have to drive away your greedy cows. You have let them wander, and now they have ruined my field of beans and cucumbers. Oh, my lovely field of beans and cucumbers. The couple got astounded by the behavior of Gopal Bhan. So they inquired him. उससे पूछते क्या कर रहे हो तुम? गोपाल भान क्या कहते हैं उनसे? Move aside, यहाँ से हट जाओ. I have to drive away your greedy cows. I have to drive away your greedy cows मतलब तुम्हारे cows जो greedy है, जो लालची है, जो मेरा कुकुम्बर और बीन्स के खेत को खा रही है, मैं उनको भगा रहा हूँ. Oh, my lovely field of beans and cucumbers, he said that. Move aside, said Gopal Bhan. I have to drive away your greedy cows. तुम्हारे greedy cows को मुझे हटाना है अपने मेरे कुकुम्बर मतलब ककड़ी बीन्स के खेत में से. Oh, my lovely field of beans and cucumbers. वो अपने खेत को सराह रहा है. He's saying, oh, my lovely, मेरे प्यारा खेत of beans and cucumbers. तो ये लोग सोच में पड़ जाते. Both couple, they said, but you don't have a field of beans and cucumbers, said the husband. As soon as he said that, Gopal Bhan stopped wielding the stick and looked at him with raised eyebrows. फिर उसका हस्बैंड बोलता है, you don't have a field of beans and cucumbers. तो वो जो गोपाल भांडा था, वो जो लकड़ी घुमा रहा था कंटिन्यूसली, वो घुमाना बंद कर देता और उसको एक आईब्रो को ऊपर करके देखने लगता. The husband and wife understood what he was trying to tell them. So the husband and wife, the couple understood what Gopal Bhan wanted to tell them. He wanted to tell them is that don't waste your time in idle talking. Instead, apply it in real life. मतलब तुम just idle talk कर रहे हो, just daydreaming कर रहे हो और उसमें भी argument कर रहे हो, उसमें भी fight कर रहे हो. Instead of doing that, you make it into reality. He wanted to tell them don't waste your time in idle talking, in just daydreaming. वो daydreaming कर रहे थे और उसमें भी झगड़ा करने लगते. So फिर ये गोपाल भांडा उनका पूरा noisy confusion which is commotion here सुनता है और वो भी उनके साथ उनकी commotion को सुन के, उनका noisy confusion को सुन के, उनके argument को सुन के गेम खेलता है. वो क्या करता है, अंदर जाता है और स्टिक लेता है और स्टिक को जोर जोर से घुमाने लगता है और जमीन पर मारने लगता है. फिर वो दोनों हस्बैंड एंड वाइफ उसको पूछते हैं तुम क्या कर रहे हो? तो वो बोलता है तुम्हारे जो ग्रीडी काउज है, आई एम गेटिंग देम अवे फ्रॉम माई फील्ड ऑफ बीन्स एंड कुकुम्बर्स. फिर उन दोनों को समझ में आता है इसके पास तो खेत है नहीं. तो उसका हस्बैंड पूछता है बट उसका हस्बैंड उसको बोला बट गोपाल भांड को बोलता है बट यू डोंट हैव अ फील्ड ऑफ बीन्स एंड कुकुम्बर्स, said the husband. As soon as he said that, Gopal Bhan stopped wielding the stick and looked at him with raised eyebrows. He stopped beating with the stick and he looked at the man with raised eyebrows. The husband and wife understood what he was trying to tell them. Can you tell what he wanted to say? I have already told you what he wanted to say. He wanted to say is that don't waste your time in idle talking, in daydreaming, and fighting unnecessarily and arguing. Instead, make it into reality. He wanted to say is that idle talking, daydreaming और argument मतलब बहस करने में टाइम वेस्ट ना करे, बल्कि रियल में काउज लाए और रियल में उसकी अच्छी केयर करे और मिल्क बेचे. So I hope you have understood the lesson. In the next video, I will go through the exercise and give you the answers of the questions mentioned here. I hope you have understood what I have taught you today. Thank you for listening me. Allah Hafiz.